How to do toe touches step by step. 1. Lie flat on your back on a mat. 2. Extend your legs straight up toward the ceiling. Feet together, knees slightly bent if needed. 3. Extend your arms straight up toward your toes. 4. Engage your core, tighten your abs and press your lower back gently into the mat. Movement 1. Exhale and lift your head, shoulders, and upper back slightly off the floor. 2. Reach your fingertips toward your toes, using your abs to lift, not swinging your arms. 3. Try to touch your toes or reach as close as possible. 4. Inhale as you slowly lower your upper body back to the starting position. 5. Repeat for the desired number of reps, 10 to 20 reps x 2 to 3 sets. Keep your movements controlled, not fast or jerky. Avoid pulling on your neck. Your hands should stay extended. Keep your legs as straight as comfortably possible. Focus on lifting with your core, not your shoulders or neck. Keep your lower back pressed to the mat during the movement. Thanks for watching. Check my next video.